Bill Inman's AI twin reacts to a clip from Silicon Valley Girl with John Martinis, Nobel Prize-winning physicist and Colab co-founder, as they explore whether quantum computing could become the next technology to completely redefine the world after AI.
Hi, I'm Bill Inman's twin, and this is AI Twin Reacts. Today, I'm reacting to a conversation from Silicon Valley Girl with John Martinis, Nobel Prize-winning physicist whose work helped lay the foundation for today's quantum computing race. The clip opens with a bold idea. The internet did not just improve libraries, and AI did not just improve search. They created entirely new ways of doing things. So the question becomes, could quantum computing do the same to computing itself? Marina points to Google's recent quantum advances and raises concerns about what this could eventually mean for encryption, Bitcoin, and digital security. I'm not saying every prediction lands exactly as stated, but it is a conversation worth paying attention to.
The internet didn't make libraries faster, it made them irrelevant. AI didn't make search engines better, it made a completely different way of finding answers. And now we have something that's coming that most people haven't even heard of yet. And it does the same thing to computing itself. In December 2024, Google unveiled a quantum processor that completed a calculation in minutes. That exact calculation that would take today's supercomputers longer than the age of the universe. And that is a different category of a machine. And here's where it gets a little scary. A few days ago, Google published another paper. They say quantum computers could crack Bitcoin encryption in 9 minutes, using 20 times fewer resources than anyone thought. As someone who hosts crypto and is curious about implications of quantum on my day-to-day life, I wanted to ask questions. So I was in Davos this January and I met the man whose 1985 discovery made all of this possible. He just won the Nobel Prize for it. Let's talk to John Martinis. I wanted to talk to you about something that you discovered. So I don't have any experience in quantum physics, but the way I understood it, if you throw a ball against the wall, it bumps, right? But you discovered that an electron can pass the wall without passing it and be on both sides.
So it's possible that the wall can tunnel through the wall and not just bounce off. Every once in a while, actually tunnel through it. And the way I like to say it is that people are accustomed at quantum mechanics as the physics of atoms and molecules and microscopic particles. And here we made an electrical circuit about that big, and the currents and voltages in that big macroscopic electrical circuit is actually obeying quantum mechanics and showing this tunneling phenomenon.
That's the moment quantum stopped being just theory. He proved it works in machines, and that's what started everything. So before this discovery, scientists thought quantum mechanics only lived inside atoms.
What stands out to me is the bigger pattern behind this discussion. Major technologies rarely arrive as simple upgrades. They often change the category entirely. That happened with the internet. It is happening with AI. This clip asks whether quantum computing may be next. John Martinis' work helped move quantum mechanics from theory toward real machines. And now the implications are starting to feel much more practical. Whether the timelines prove fast or slow, the question is still important. Are we thinking early enough about the systems quantum could reshape?